Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. CSW here. This is more of a rant and rave than a service video. So I really want to get this message out to everybody who visits car dealerships with their vehicle for service, maintenance, for any particular reason. When you show up to a dealership and you have a complaint, please give the complaint in the best description you possibly can. In this case, they just wanted an AC system checkup. Alright, so say no more, we got you. We check the AC output with the temperature, see if it's cooling the vehicle or not. And the AC temperature output is spot on. The heat is spot on. So the next step is to inspect the cabin air filter. Now, on a lot of the vehicles, the cabin air filter is behind the glove box or back here somewhere, but mainly you got to drop the glove box, or if you want to get better access, you remove the entire glove box. So in this case, we had to remove the entire glove box, but when I opened up the glove box, this is where things got a little iffy. We found something that we shouldn't have found. We found something that a lot of these customers don't realize, that somebody else is going to be in your vehicle working on your vehicle. So besides the stains and whatnot, that's here and there. That's nothing. That everybody's vehicle is dirty to a certain extent. But when you come in for a certain complaint, a very specific complaint, and you know exactly where we're going to work, why would you leave a freaking rag full of dry blood right where I reach to inspect your vehicle? This is why I hate my job. I don't mind working on cars, but I swear, half these people don't wash their ass if they go visit the doctor. Come on, common courtesy, please. If you're going to a dealership, or if you're going to get your car repaired anywhere, do not leave anything like this. If that person that's going to be working on your car is going to be working directly in that area, come on, man, come on. So yeah, ladies and gentlemen, I apologize. This is more of a rant and rave than a repair video or showing you something crazy. Well, no, I'm showing you something crazy. And please, FYI, ladies, gentlemen, everybody, if you're going to get your car repaired, tidy up just a little bit. You know what I mean? Just a little bit. Give the steering wheel a wipe down. If somebody's going to go into the glove box to inspect the area, make sure there's no boogers in napkins, or freaking blood in napkins, or best yet, the very best is when you find those freaking booger tissues stuffed in right where you grab to close the door, or when you got that fat freaking loogie on the door handle right where you need to open the door to get out of the vehicle. So I'm sorry, ladies and gentlemen. I know this is a rant and a rave, and I know, but come on. And if you don't know yet, please like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for further content.